After a long break, your brain needs a reset. I'm going to show you a simple system that works very well for me and should work for everyone. It trains your mind to crave knowledge the way it craves a social feed. Let's get straight to the point. The brain is not lazy. It burns about 20% of your energy. But right now, it is hijacked. We've trained our brains to chase fast rewards. Dopamine is to be blamed. When you flood your mind with high intensity novelty, dopamine drops below normal level. That's why a long scroll leaves you flat. You start feel less motivated and less interested in meaningful goals. Learning, on the other hand, requires effort first. The rewards comes later. Here's how you win this battle. Phase 1 is to reset the dopamine to healthy levels. Apps like OneSec adds a pause before opening social media and will block you if you keep trying. You'll start to feel withdrawal signs like being bored, reaching to your phone without thinking. This is not failure, this is the therapy working. Give it a few days and your dopamine baseline soon settles. Normal tasks will start to feel interesting again. In phase 2, you'll train your reward system to fire for the right reasons. This is when you stop feeding your brain with its new addiction, that is progress. Start small, set a short timer, 15 to 20 minutes, one page, one problem, one concept. When you're done, this quick win gives you clean dopamine hit. To increase the reward, use one-line plan. Write exactly what you will do before you start, like do 3 questions, solve 2 problems, or summarize a page in 5 key points. Specific targets equals faster rewards. Once you're done, track the win visibly. Tick a box, add a star, build a streak. Your brain loves progress. Make your study session engaging. Active learning triggers more dopamine than passive reading. Close the book and recall. Do multiple choice questions. Explain a concept in 60 seconds out loud, as if you're teaching it. Once you're done with 2 to 3 of these mini study sessions, now give yourself a real break. Play a short game, call a friend, or take a quick time scroll. This time you have earned it. In the last stage, you're going to make it effortless to start. Set the stage. Your notebook is open, pen is ready, one browser tab only. Take a 5 to 10 minutes walk or do few push-ups, just enough to switch on your focus. Use caffeine as a cue, not as a crutch. One coffee or tea at the start, then stop. Sound also matters, so use instrumental music or white noise because lyrics compete with your working memory. Stick with this and something shift. You'll catch yourself wanting to continue, not because you became different person, but because you trained your biology to work for you, not against you.